So I've just seen something which is absolutely stunning, completely spectacular, and I don't know how to handle the information. I'm just blown away. And what it is that the B-2 fighter aircraft and a super advanced bomber aircraft in America, each of those aircraft cost $2 billion. And I'm trying to understand that. I'm trying to comprehend that amount of money for a single aircraft. I'm also trying to understand how the pilot must feel flying such a machine. If you know as a pilot that you're in command of a machine that costs $2 billion, the feeling must be absolutely wild. It must be an amazing feeling to fly a machine that costs that much. And the engineering behind it, the operation of it must be absolutely perfect. Probably comes with its own butler. It just doesn't make sense. And what completely blows my mind even more is that I believe, I don't know if it's true for sure, but I believe that at least one of the pilots is a woman. And I really can't understand this because the idea that a woman would be capable of flying such a machine, regardless of its automation and how straightforward it is to fly. The idea that a woman would put in the time and the effort over and above the efforts of a man is unbelievably unlikely. It's simply strange that a woman would work as hard as a man in that role. It just doesn't make sense. And I'm absolutely stunned that a woman would be in control of a B-2 aircraft. And this is not about being disparaging about women. This is just being positive about men and their abilities and their work effort and how they see themselves in comparison to the way a woman sees herself. I think that it is absolutely strange, incomprehensible, how even flying the B-2, the most expensive aircraft ever built, costing $2 billion per plane, even in that role, we have affirmative action, and it is beyond stunning. I just cannot grasp what this means, and it's completely amazing.